leaders, maybe these are the key bootlickers, 70 in Emashonaland province, who were given the who shared this cake of 150,000 in Emashonaland province, 70, and they were given $2,000 each. So we are talking of 140,000 US dollars given to 70 comrades of the War Veterans League in Emashonaland, a province with more than 5,000 comrades. Honestly, guys, you can see this is unfair. 70 comrades, 2,000 each, that's 140,000. The other 10,000, where is it? Yakajiwane state. Vanonzi vakomana, vaneruva mudenga. This is the thing. So let's not be fooled by these dummy, deceptive projects. Bo, comrades, a bow is supposed to serve the community. And it is the government's responsibility to provide water and sanitation to its people. That's the responsibility of government. So are we trying to clap hands for praise a sheep, a fish for swimming? So these are the things, the basics that we should be able to understand. Let's call a spade, and you are saying the Gaza revolution is a cleansing process to come up with a transitional arrangement in which the people have the power. Not for people to think it is the time for them to get power, to appoint themselves. No, it is designed to give people the power to choose what they want.